Welcome to this quick guide on how to copy captions in Instagram. Instagram is a popular social media platform that thrives on visuals, but captions play a significant role in telling the story behind each post. Whether you want to share a friend's witty caption, save your own creative wording, or simply reference text from a post, knowing how to copy captions can be quite useful. So let's get started. So guys, first we need to go to the Instagram app. After that, friends, we have to wait for a while and take a video with sound. Then we will click on that video and click on this try dot above. And we have to link the copy. And we need to go to Chrome next. And the link should be pasted. And that video will come before us. Friends, then we can see a text below. And this is the subtitle. Copying captions on Instagram doesn't have to be a challenging endeavor. With the methods we've covered, you can effortlessly save, share, or reference captions from your favorite posts. As Instagram continues to evolve, these techniques may become even more intuitive. Remember to respect the privacy and copyright of others when copying captions, and always give credit where it's due. Now, you're equipped with the knowledge to make the most of Instagram's diverse and captivating content.